Whereas today, we're going to be launching this rocket in the rain at my school. So let's do this.
Hold on. Let me see what you're doing.
Okay, so first, I have to turn it on. Dad, you should back up because we have to run. The maximum height is 150, but that wasn't full power.
Ooh.
We'll do a jump cut. Let's just put this parachute back on.
Let's put this back.
Okay, so we're back. Parachute's back on. Please note that it's still on. Two clicks!
Uh-oh. It's twice as long when it's 2 clicks.
Oh my god.
Here it comes. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. That was amazing.
Wow.
Did you think it was going on the roof?
Sure enough. Okay, now we're gonna show you how on earth this actually goes back in.
تكوني هناك.
Huh?
Okay, here, you hold the phone.
Okay,
مش أنا بس صورها.
it's me filming.
Okay, well, it shouldn't be tangled. Was the first
So,
set of
yes.
instructions. Let's make sure the.
And by the way, we bought this at Hobby Lobby if you want one for yourself. So basically, you want to make sure all the wires aren't tangled. And then you just shove the parachute back in.
With nothing hanging out. I almost messed up.
Although that's not good.
Okay. I think we have to go farther out into the park if you're going to do 8 seconds again.
Okay, that's that. Get the launch pad.
هناك لازم لأنه الهواء. The higher it goes, the more wind there
Moving
is.
the launch pad. Where should we launch from?
We have to go way out there, I'm thinking. We're worried it's going to land on the school roof and then we're done.
Yeah. Somewhere around here is good, right?
Because the wind's picking up.
Okay.
How about right here? Perfect. Oh, nice. Hold on. Let me film this.
Okay. It's on.
Okay. Parachute deployed? Yes.
Oh, it's coming down like a rock.
The parachute was kind of a fail, I think.
Yeah. That thing came down.
It's because you were filming me. I was nervous.
That was a real rocket that probably touched down 60 miles per hour. That was a real rocket, but that's the damage. Parachute completely came loose. So
It's
let's try this
fine.
again.
It lights up, which is awesome. Okay, should we do one more?
Yes.
Okay, here, hold
So
it.
how do you stuff this in?
Hold this.
Okay. Don't be nervous.
Thank you.
Okay.
Push that thing down.
Yes.
Make sure this just drops smoothly.
Great.
Okay, sweet. We've got... Okay, that felt much better.
Oh yeah,
And
that
then
was
we're
much
just
quicker.
gonna do a little twist at the end.
Yep.
Okay, walk it back.
Okay.
Here, I'll trade you. Where'd it go? Do you even know where the launch site is? Way
Yeah.
over there. Wow, yeah, the wind changed its direction. Hold on.
2 presses again.
I want to see you press it.
Did I count as 2 or 1?
That was 2. Oh my god, it's so high. All right.
That's much better.
That's a clean parachute.
Now it's 4. I had a good bet. I love this. So that was that. A great video here we've had. So we enjoyed that. So bye, our YouTubers. See you in the next video that I have to make ahead of me.